Today, Bitcoin broke out of its consolidation phase, and what the on-chain data is showing about that we will have a look at in a moment. At first, Timo will have a look at the on-chain data about the digital assets flows, which can indicate where the Bitcoin price could move. He will also have a look at the exchange flows, which is also important for the Bitcoin price. And after this, Liam will have a look with you guys on the charts, on the smaller as well as on the larger timeframes, because we just saw the weekly close today, and this is more or less the important time frame we have a look at in the Bitcoin chart. We also have to talk about our breakout out of our consolidation phase, which is very, very important for the Bitcoin price. And if you guys enjoying this content, please make sure to leave a like on this video and comment down below what you guys think. Is this breakout sustainable, or will we maybe retrace? Just comment down below, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any of our daily updates. And for now, I would say we'll just start in the video.
Currently, we are seeing a strong inflow into digital assets. That's why we are currently seeing a pumping Bitcoin course. Last week we have seen nearly 600 millions inflow into this digital assets. With this we have seen the fourth week in follow with a positive inflow in digital assets, and this is for me a really positive sign. The big question is, where's the money going? And like we can see in this on-chain data, week flows, primarily all the money is flowing into Bitcoin. We have nearly 570 millions which went into Bitcoin last week. And we have also some smaller inflows in Ethereum. I think this value could change if we maybe see the approval of the Ethereum spot ETF next May. But what is really important for me, with nearly 67 billion in now total assets under management in the digital asset section, we have a new all-time high since the end of the bull market 2021, which is for me really, really important. From where we have seen this inflows, primarily like we expected, United States over 609 millions. Seen some smaller outflows in countries like Canada, Germany and Sweden. But for me, what is really important, I think we could see also some bigger inflows from other countries outside of the USA if we see there some changes in their regulation, some new regulation for crypto, which now then maybe investors are more secured and maybe have more trust in the crypto sector and start to buy Bitcoin and other assets from their countries, maybe also with their own finance products. What is also really interesting for me, the Bitcoin outflow chart means we are currently seeing more purchases than sales in the crypto sector. We have seen this bigger green line here over the last few days. This is a really positive sign, especially because if we take a look here really close, if this chart is turning red again, we have also a bigger flow from the exchanges, which would mean for me many investors are selling their Bitcoins again. So currently we have some really strong signs from the on-chain data. So in my sign, this is also connected with the pump we have seen over the last few hours in the on the Bitcoin course. So I would say I will give the word right now to the charts.
Guys, let's start in the weekly chart, and here we can see we started the day with a nice pump here with the spot ETFs trading approximately very high inflows, and of course the grayscale outflows are currently very low. So basically we are pumping, or we keep up pumping to the upside, and we may pump much further to the upside in the coming days. And now we want to go forward to see if we have the chance to reach levels like 55,000 or 57,000 US dollar with the Bitcoin price. And last week we had the first bearish weekly close after 4 bullish weekly close we saw here. But the close was very neutral. We saw a doji candle here, and the doji candle is a neutral candle. So basically we are pumping to the upside today. And if we are closing our day candle today above the 53,000 US dollar, this would be very bullish and a very bullish sign for the Bitcoin price, because if we go forward to the day chart, we can see that this would be a new higher high on the Bitcoin price, and we are almost here on the higher high with the Bitcoin price, and we would have a higher close with the Bitcoin daily price. And the last close, or the highest last close, was at approximately 52,000 200 US dollar here, and now we are leaving our uptrend here to the upside, and this is very bullish for the Bitcoin price. And of course we have a very bullish pattern on the hourly chart, but first, or before that, I want to mention the MACD here, the moving average divergence convergence here, and we had a bearish sign on the MACD here with the blue line crossing the orange line, but we are turning to the upside, so we can maybe have another cross here and keep up with our pumping or our bullish phase with the Bitcoin price here, exactly as this was here the opposite. We had the bearish phase here, then a cross, a very small bullish phase here, another cross, and another continuation of the bearish phase. So the exact opposite can happen here. We had the very bullish phase here, the very small bearish phase, and another cross here to the upside. And now we are pumping with the Bitcoin price to the upside and can reach levels from 55 to 57,000 US dollar. And we of course have a pattern which I want to show you now. And this pattern can bring us almost much higher than the 57,000 US dollar. And this pattern is our bull flag here. So basically we had the consolidation phase here from, I think, 52,400 US dollar to 50,600 US dollar, and leaving it right now. We had a very bullish 4-hourly close in the last 4-hourly candle here above 43, no, not above 53,000 US dollar, but close to 53,000 US dollar. And of course we have the bull flag here. So if I am deleting these lines here, we can see we have this perfect bull flag here breaking out to the upside. And now we have to look where the breakout target is. And if we draw in a line from this here, from the point where the breakout started to the upper resistance line of our bull flag here, and then we are moving it to the lower support line of our bull flag, we can see that our breakout target is at around 62,000 US dollar. And this would be very close to our last all-time high with the Bitcoin price. And I think we can reach it with the Bitcoin price soon, because the spot ETF inflows are very high. The grayscale outflows are continuously decreasing. So guys, keep an eye on the day close. And I would say, if you like this video, leave a like and a subscription and activate the little bell to never miss any content. And I would say we see us tomorrow in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.